hollow points.
What's that? Man, all right, you gotta tell people what's happening because I'm not gonna tell them. So you just tell them. What are you doing right now?
We're at the Mini, bro.
Where are we at?
We're at Mini Mall of Georgia, and I'm looking to pick up a Mini, or one of those.
Not that one in particular.
Not that one in particular, but you know, it's the right color, you know.
It makes a nice noise. It makes a very nice, refined noise.
I wasn't about it. I'm about to send this bitch. Okay. Little pull.
Now, if you were to get, or I should say, when you get one of these, you got some plans for it?
Good one.
You poppy me, are you? I'm trying to follow Dre, but this nigga is driving like a maniac. We're going to do some rollers here in a second. We're on our way in Tennessee. We got a fucking hour left. We're about to head down to APR and get the RS3. Let's get a dongle for the RS3 so we can switch maps on it. You having fun? You having fun?
No, wait till this bitch open up. I'm gonna count to 15 and see how far.
Bro, look at that fucking caliber.
I'm gonna just count to 15 in my head and see how far I get, and by the time I get to 15, and how fast it is. It's trying to go to like 160. If we move, then I might touch 170.
Do the whole thingy. Let go! Trey! Trying to be cool, I done locked myself out. $2.0. What's this from? Like a B7?
No, not with the front light. Or it could be, it is.
It is.
If it's not, yeah, it is.
We just Borg Warner.
Huh? Yeah. I spoke to you on the phone? Yeah.
Oh, this is crazy. Some of these bills are hella.
If you'll ever take the fall to do
Oh, it's just like that. It's just that simple. It was there.
Oh, okay. So if y'all are curious to know what we drove an hour and a half through Atlanta traffic for, there you go. This will set you back 160 smackers.
It was 250 up there.
250 smackers.
Yeah.
Man.
I didn't ask you. You didn't tell me. It didn't matter.
Well,
It didn't matter.
that's what we came for, and you got an unboxing at APR. It was the APR dongle. I don't know if y'all want to see some of this stuff. There's some mad cool shit here. You got all this APR carbon fiber intake and the short shifter, which is actually really good. I felt one of those before. Got dining stuff for Beamers. But this is just for this to be a DSG car. That's crazy.
Should I get a pack on here?
A pack of coils?
Yeah.
So I can have yours?
I mean,
They were cheap.
they're like $50 each. I have 5 cylinders.
It's pretty cheap. Look at that twin scroll. That's a beautiful turbo.
I need.
This is dope though. These OMP seats. It's just so crazy how like built the car is, and then you look inside and you could like drive it anywhere. I wouldn't hesitate to go get freaking. Bro, look how close this is to your tag, to your.
Oh, that's funny.
He said, "Oh, what power, nigga?" APR power. FSI? I learned my lesson, let me tell you that. Learn my lesson. If you know, you know. This is a real man's car. You see that man's mission? Nah, that's that man's mission. Oh yeah, I already peeped. 4 slicks. Oh damn. No. Sheesh. Hey. Cool. Another twin scroll. Look at this. Beautiful.
People who friendly, it turn into envy whenever they see that you shining. Okay, I'm back out fresh on the scene. Franchise best on the
under EMCS. Once it's loaded, it'll show you everything that's there.
Okay.
As it'll pull, what it does is it.
All right, so we are fucking noobs. We got the dongle. He explained us how to use it, but this shit ain't making no goddamn sense.
Is it really just that simple? It's just
As you
clicking
just
it?
click it and it doesn't
Let's find out. This is what we do.
start it. Yeah.
Put it in stock.
Start in stock map, yeah. Open valves.
I know the way to test it. He showed me that earlier.
I think I just heard it.
Huh? I opened the valves.
So this is stock. Okay.
Sorry. Man, he ain't never had nothing nice before.
That's ISO.
Rack it up, I got a bit of the bank to make me a safe house. Shake it up, she got her hands on her knees and she bringing the cake out. Smoke it up, I got some gas packs, I'm up in the greenhouse. Ball it up, I'm with the gang, we taking shots off the rebound. Fucking my posters, say now, I've been humble too long, yeah. Tell them all to stay calm, yeah. Tell them all to move on, yeah. Fucking my posters, say now, they be lost in the sauce, yeah. Took a loss, that's your loss, yeah. Had to get my point across, yeah.
Let's see if it start up different. Probably got the E85 going, about to do a full pull. Are you good to go? This is the butt dyno I'm talking about. I know what that is. Used that a couple times.
You didn't even see me do it. Slide of hand. I got over and he told me that you said that you wanted to get off in this exit.
Yeah, his fucking bumper was finna fly the fuck off.
To the moon, like those.
Bro, you should have seen it. It was,
You're lying.
I swear.
When you did that pull.
And I kept texting you, like, that's why I was telling you, like, pull off. I meant, like, pull off at the exit.
I thought you was joking.
No, that shit was.
I was joking as if I couldn't eat you alive. I understand.
Well, he wasn't gonna catch you, Trey.
Oh, it was like that?
Yeah, but it just at
Bro,
90.
you're going 90.
At 90, it looks terrible.
No, you're going faster than 90 because I was going like 90.
I was doing like 102.
That's what I'm saying.
Just about.
Just punch it in. No. Extra stamp of approval. Hey,
This man thinking we fucking around and shit. I'm like, bro.
No, I've never had that happen. I've seen it come out before, but not like
in
that.
this.
We 44 away.
In this.
We can go to the store.
And get what? And the help.
Alright. I'm about to go back to the house. Celebrate my boy's 21st birthday.
Oh, yeah, you did. I forgot about that.
Yes, sir. Make some good steaks.